Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see the recent ad activities on Facebook. Maybe you are curious about on what ads that shows on your Facebook. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can see your recent ad activity on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then once you are in here, scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then under the settings and privacy, you will see here the recent ad activity. Tap on it. In here, you'll see your ad activity. See ads you recently interacted with and leave feedback on advertisers you purchased from. You can scroll down to see it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your recent ad activity on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to see your recent ad on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.